Dear friends, welcome you all here. पर मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट होगी आप सब लोगों से कि हम कोई साइड में कोई और बात नहीं करेंगे. वटएवर जो हम यहाँ बात करेंगे वही बात होगी. ओके? क्योंकि बहुत सेंसिटिव इशू है कश्मीर में और हम इसको किसी और ढंग से कोई बाहर चली जाए उसका एक बहुत बड़ा असर पड़ता है. और ये कश्मीर एक बड़ी नाजुक जगह है और इसको बड़े सेंसिटिव तरीके से हैंडल करना पड़ता है. तो इसलिए मैं आप लोगों से यही रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, हम यहाँ बैठे हैं, आपको जो कुछ चाहिए वो पूछ लीजिए. पर मेरी एक और रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे, हम सब लोग कश्मीर में भाई भाई हैं और ऐसे हालात में हमारी कोशिश है कि भाई किसी भी चीज़ को जिसको उभारा गया या उस पर बहुत कुछ कहा गया उसको पर्दा डालने की कोशिश करें. और हम चाहते हैं कि यहाँ का भाईचारा वो उसी तरह बना रहे जिस तरीके से कई सदियों से हमारा यहाँ चल रहा है. हम सुख दुख के साथी हैं. तो इसलिए मैं एक स्टेटमेंट पढ़ूँगा, वो आप ले लीजिए, उसके बाद आप पूछेंगे, मोस्ट वेलकम. पर मेरी एक दरख्वास्त यही है कि हम इस चीज़ को अब एक डायरेक्शन से देना चाहते हैं कि यहाँ के अमन को बहाल करने में हम सारे लोग मिल के एक रोल अदा करें, जिसके लिए मैंने आप लोगों को यहाँ बुलाया है, जिसके लिए बहुत शुक्रिया. Dear friends, the Sikh community in Jammu and Kashmir has been living in harmony with the majority Muslim community. Over the years, many attempts were made to create a wedge between the two communities by the vested interest. However, the nefarious design got defeated due to the strong bond that exists between the two communities. Since some unfortunate incident came to the fore in the recent past, it is important that both Muslims and Sikhs maintain the communal harmony and brotherhood. The people need to remain vigilant and ensure that the congenial atmosphere does not get vitiated. Since both the communities have supported each other through thick and thin, it is the responsibility of the members of both the communities to continue with the synergy. I, on behalf of the Sikh community, would request that the Inter-Caste Marriage Act is implemented in Jammu and Kashmir. Once this act is put in practice, at this place the inter-caste marriages would come to an end automatically. This would safeguard the interest of people belonging to different faith and religions. The element who want to have mileage out of such marriages would also face an inevitable defeat. Over the years, members of elite political families of Jammu and Kashmir have been indulged in inter-caste marriage, but surprisingly, nobody pointed finger towards them. Whenever such an incident happens in a normal family, the issue gets blown out of proportion. This need to be analyzed and people should be vigilant so that the opportunistic politician does not exploit them. At the same time, it is also important that anti-conversion law is implemented in Jammu and Kashmir. This would stop the forceful conversion of people belonging to any religion whatsoever. As a result of the same, friction between the different communities would also come to an end once for all. There would be no tension between the communities and all the people would live without fear. The APSEC has over the past many decades thrived for betterment of minorities, and the committee would continue to play such a role in future as well. We have been meeting top-notch authorities both in the central government and erstwhile state in this regard and continue to knock at the doors of the concerned stakeholders. Most of the demands of Sikh community remain as it is since they have not been fulfilled by the people in the government. Thank you.
सर पहला सवाल मेरा है